very little ingredients. Yes, we are making chocolate ice cream. It's so yummy. It is my favorite in the summers. Even you kids can make it. Just that you need your elders' help to switch on the flame or to switch on the mixer grinder. Let's start. So first let's see the ingredients. Here I have 1 liter of boiled and cooled down milk. So I have taken the other ingredients according to the quantity of milk. Now let's see the other ingredients. Here I have 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then I have 3 tablespoons cocoa powder. You can see I have got chocolate chunks. These are optional but they taste good. Again I have 3 tablespoons of cornflour and then some water. Here I have sprinklers for the topping of the prepared ice cream. Now I have kept the milk pan on the gas stove and I am going to switch on the flame between medium to high and let the milk boil. The milk has boiled. Now add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix well till the sugar dissolves. Add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder slowly with the help of a spoon. Also add the chocolate chunks. Oops. And now mix it well till the chocolate melts completely and the cocoa powder dissolves. Meanwhile, let's prepare our cornflour slurry or cornstarch slurry. For that, we need 3 tablespoons of cornstarch or cornflour. Then about 4 tablespoons of water. In a mixing bowl, pour the water slowly. And now we are gonna add the cornflour. You have to add a little at a time or otherwise there will be a difficulty in mixing it together. And now add it. Oops, I'm not able to add it. Okay, and now you have to mix it very vigorously and fast. Make sure there are no lumps in the cornflour slurry. Let the cocoa milk boil for some time. The cocoa milk has boiled and now we are gonna add the prepared cornflour slurry in it. You have to mix continuously while adding the slurry or otherwise there will be lumps in the mixture. Mix it fast. It looks so yummy. And now mix it continuously and slowly the mixture would thicken. Mix it continuously and you will notice that the mixture would thicken. Now switch off the gas and let the mixture cool down completely. The mixture has cooled down completely and has thickened a lot. Now I am gonna transfer this mixture in the mixer grinder jar and churn it. I have transferred it to the mixer grinder jar and now I am gonna churn it or blend it. And this goes. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour the ice cream mixture, see, in a container, airtight container. Slowly. Whoa. Whoops, a little bit fell. That's okay. That looks nice. Okay, so you can see I have poured all the mixture in like this and some was left. I left it as it is and then me and Tanmay are gonna lick it. Before that, we just put on the lid. This is an airtight lid and now we just tap it to release the air bubbles. Now I'm gonna put it in my freezer section for 4 to 5 hours. And this goes in my freezer section. here is our ice cream. I kept it overnight. Let me remove it. And it is frozen. Look at this ice cream, it looks so yummy. And can you see the texture? It is very creamy. And now we are again gonna churn it, so it becomes smooth. If you keep it in the freezer section for 3 to 4 hours, then you can remove it easily because it is half set, not fully. It's very heavy. It's very hard to remove. So here is our ice cream mixture which we churned second time. Oops, it is hard. Yeah. And here is our ice cream mixture. Wow, it looks so yummy. And see the consistency. Ooh. Now we are gonna put it in the airtight container and keep it in our freezer section. OMG. Okay. And here is our ice cream. Now, just a moment. We just tap it to release the air bubbles. And now, we put the airtight lid. And here is our ice cream which goes in the freezer. So now we are going to serve the ice cream. Take an ice cream scooper. Just put it in the bowl. Here. Now put some sprinklers. Just a moment. Okay. And here's our ice cream. You can also put choco chips if you want. And now I'm gonna taste it. Okay, so Tanmay is tasting it. Yummy. Oh, yes? Okay, I'll also taste that. So now I'm gonna taste the ice cream. It's so yummy. And it has a creamy texture. You should try this recipe. Enjoy! Like, share and subscribe to our channel GSisters4U. See you next time. Bye-bye.